Hey, it's Tom. Today we're going to talk about more advanced tools for installing molding. Nail guns, coping saw, shims, and hand shears.
Always a great day in the millwork business.
Okay, so let's talk about the tools. Nail gun, game changer. This is a cordless one, but you can also buy them with a small compressor. It's a little more expensive, but it's well worth the money if you're going to install trim. Coping saw. You're going to need this if you ever decide to do crown molding. This is the difference between really smooth corners that don't separate and corners that do separate. But we'll talk about this in a later episode. Wood shims. Use these to make sure that your molding is plumb and level, because no house is ever plumb and level. And then, last but not least, if you're doing quarter round and base shoe, a set of hand shears. It makes the job so much easier. You don't have to get up. You could just snip and cut and go. But we'll talk about these in a later episode as well. Thanks.